Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the blue iPhone 13. This is the 256 model that you can get from Apple currently, and this is the latest model of the iPhone on the market. And we're going to be unboxing this for you guys so you guys can take a look and see what kind of phone you can expect to get if you're buying these devices. As you'll see here, things have changed slightly for the model of the previous generation. We also unboxed the pink one, and we're going to be unboxing the other ones as well. So make sure, if you guys haven't checked out the pink one, make sure you guys check the unboxing of that one and the other one that are going to be to come. So make sure to hit like and subscribe button. So let's go ahead and start unboxing the blue one. As you can see, the box is slimmed down, starting with the iPhone 12 lineup, and there's a reason why it's really slimmed down, and we're going to take a look at the content of the box as well. So let's move this aside and dive into this unboxing one. As you notice here, the wording lettering here is blue, just like the color. All of them seems to have the same sort of design on the box, where the box is going to be the color, and then you're going to see the Apple logo here, the logo on both sides, and then the Apple actual icon in the back here. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. So you're going to notice there's no more plastic anymore, so they have these new tabs. So you want to strip these tabs up, and then here these are like rubbery tabs, and once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and take the phone out of the box. So here you can see the cameras are now diagonal. In the past, it used to just be up and down for the iPhone 12, and this is the blue color. So we'll take a look at the phone, and then take a look at what we get in the accessory box. You get the USB-C type charger, and of course that has changed. And then the pamphlet, of course. With the pamphlet, now you just get the SIM ejector tool, which you'll need to insert the SIM card, and then the sticker and the pamphlet. So the standard stuff that you guys seen. And then here on the phone itself, you're gonna notice a couple things here going on. Of course, the box, and then the color itself. So we'll try to give you guys a quick look of the color. The blue, I think it's a premium finish. It's probably one of my favorite colors as well here on the 13. But you can also get it, as we mentioned, pink. You can get it in Starlight, which is pretty much the white one, and then the Midnight, which is the black shade one, and then Product Red, which we don't have here right now. But here's the finish of it. So just a quick close-up look if you guys haven't seen it. And that's the 5G here that's able. It's a 6.1 inch display here that we have. So the display is huge, and the ratio of the screen has increased from the previous generation. You'll notice here there's that speaker up top here, and those sensors that you can see if you look closely with the camera. There's 3 sensors lined up. The notch is much smaller now. So let's go ahead and power on this device. So as you see, it's powering on, which is a good indicator. Sometimes you may need to charge it before you turn it on if it's been sitting for a while. So far so good. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. As you can see here, the animation comes up. This is part of iOS 15, which is shipped by default on the iPhone 13 lineup. So you're gonna go ahead and set this up. Select your country, set manual here, select a network here. So we're gonna just go ahead and enter our password here. You need to connect to internet somehow, either through Wi-Fi or using your SIM data or iTunes as well. So that's how you go about activating your device. And once it starts activating, you're gonna have to wait. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of this camera here. As you can see, your camera's slightly more elevated from before. Here you have the speaker, and then of course lot going on. So data and privacy stuff. So you're gonna hit continue here. Here we're not gonna set anything up, but of course you want to set up things like Face ID so you can use all of the features. You're gonna put a passcode in to make sure that your phone is secure and your data is secure as well. You're gonna use the app and data here to either restore from your iTunes backup or iCloud backup, or simply do a transfer somehow. But for our setup, we're not doing anything. Apple ID, again, Apple ID is required to download apps and use any of the Apple services like iMessage, FaceTime. Make sure you guys sign into your existing one that you have if you use it on a previous device, or create one that's simply free to do. But for our purposes here, we're going to just skip that step so we can get to the home screen here. As you can see, it's still loading. Sometimes it might take a second or two to process. Again, it generally shouldn't take much time, but you can always go back or just keep on waiting for it. Not sure if there's something going on. Generally it doesn't take that long, but while it's loading here, you'll notice here the speaker on the bottom here, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. If you haven't updated to a new phone in a while, you're gonna probably notice this. The one thing about this 13 lineup is that they unfortunately don't come with the 120 hertz refresh rate like the Pro lineup, so that's one thing to note. So you can see this step we mentioned about being able to create a free one or simply sign into your existing one. Then hit agree here. You're going to just simply want to click continue here. Siri, make sure you set up Siri, screen time, and app analytics. And finally, we're here to the iPhone main menu, and we can start doing stuff here. As you can see here, we're ready to go. This is the iPhone 13, and there has been some changes. Of course, there's a A15 Bionic chip, which is supposed to make it much faster than the previous generation. That notch, as you can see, much smaller now, and the phone itself, you'll see things like photographic style being part of one of the neat features, where you can choose the style that you want. So you can simply select one of that. There's portrait mode and then cinematic mode as well. This is the new hype version of the camera here. We're probably going to be doing some testing with this camera, so make sure you guys tune into that as well when we do demo for that. And of course, the phone itself here, you can notice a lot going on here, but again, it's really lightweight in your hand. It seems it fits perfectly. It's about pretty much it's probably the same size here, as you can see here, with the previous generation of the 12, so it feels about the same in our hand. And a couple things about the iPhone 13 here is this model you're going to be paying around for the 256 gig $899. Now you can get it on the base model here as well for the 128 gig, which is $100 cheaper, of course, and then you can also max out to 512 gig. Unfortunately, a 13 regular one doesn't go up to the terabyte one like the Pro and the Pro Max. But there you guys have it. And for a quick look at it, a little phone, of course, like any iPhone, just premium model and all this matte design. There's the glass back and front, of course, all of that going. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section which other phone we should unbox, of course leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.